Hello everyone, welcome in my tech free channel. Today I'm going to discussing about how to trap the phone number locations and number to know the name of the service providers, company and organizations of the phone numbers by using the Python programming language. Let's get started to my video. Let's go on the screen. Let's go on my coding. Let's go, my friend. Okay, okay everyone, just to open this VS Code, and then I want to open my folders. I already create a folder in my desktop. This desktop is also included in this folders. In my folders, I want to find that for desktop folders within this my folders and open this desktop. Sorry guys, and just to open this. Okay, here have to this top, just to have here, and then to and then desktop. Here I have just a little bit mistake, and to click, and so I just to already create my folder name as the NBR. This one folder name as the NBR. I just to so all the all over my coding, to how to trap the phone number locations, all the codings all the codings to just to run in this folders. Just that reasons that I create folders this, and so just to open this folders, and so I open these folders and the source to minimize this. Here have all open these folders in my VS Code, and so at the first open this terminals in your Python in this VS Code. So open these terminals, and then if you want to trap any number locations, any phone number locations using using the Python programming language, so using the any coding programming, you always at the first you always to install the phone numbers library. Phone number library in your VS Code. It's a very important, right? And so I just to install, so right now I also be installed my phone number library in my VS Code in this and this my folders. That's how to install the phone number libraries in this folders. That's code is fif3 and installed phone numbers. Phone numbers. Just this simple codes to tap on your terminals, and to click and insert button to click, and then you have to you got the phone number libraries on your device. I already requirement already satisfied, because I already installed installed before this starting this my code, starting this my project. I already installed the phone numbers libraries in my code. That recently here have the message to display on my screen and my so terminals, so you can see required already satisfied. Satisfy this message as display in my terminals. If you have not to installed your phone number library in your this terminals, please in your this folders, in your this project, please install these phone numbers. This install it code is the pip3 install the phone number, right? And so I just to delete this. And so here have the navbar, nvr. My folders have create one file, python files, right, like main.py. Whatever you also be to create a python files to it into your folders. As just to create the python files to main.py. Okay, this file for this files to create it in this folders, then nvr folders, and create is the main.py. py is the extensions of the extension of the pythons. Okay, if you not to understand about the extensions, you check out my previous my videos. Okay, previous my video. Okay, so I already installed a phone number. Okay, phone number library. So import phone numbers. You have already saw that that's phone number library. So just to import this phone numbers need to be imported in here to trap the locations of the phone numbers, any phone numbers, the unknown phone numbers. Okay, and so import the phone numbers library. And so again I want to create a new test.py new Python files here, and numbr numbers equals to you can't numbers you okay, plus our the country's number code is the 977. And so okay, 977. You are if you have the unknown numbers and you know to about that's numbers the where okay, that's number where from the calling to me. If you know about that's if you know about the locations of the that numbers, you just to type the here the that numbers in here. Okay, and Thanavi I just to use the here 9 okay, I just do what is it? I just used here have used my phone numbers in here to find out the locations, find out which country, and from the which country to call to you, and to know just to know the name of the service company. Okay, and the organizations of the that's numbers. Okay, okay, this control again back in the name main.py files, main files. And so from the ES details, the import and numbers, that number test files they have to create enter that's number, that number also imported in here main.py files. And so and so you can if you geographically you know that you want to know about the geograph or locations, like locations to know of the that's number, right? And so that reasonsly from phone numbers the import okay, import the geocoder. Okay, geocoder also be the import from the that's phone numbers, because geocoders to find to help to find out locations of the that's phone numbers. Okay, geographical locations of the that's your unknown phone numbers. Okay, and so again from phone numbers import carriers carrier. This code is to display the no the name of the service, okay, service company or the service provider company, and any organizations of that's phone numbers, okay. That recently this one and this one also, this one put as the very importance to trap the locations of the unknown phones numbers, phone number using the Python programming language is always to import it in your code in your files, okay. And so now I just to see as it said, I just to create a one variable, to take a one variable, take the number, and br take the numbers, and so phone numbers dot first functions, and here have first function, just to use the br number, okay, number. And so here have to just here is okay. And so print, I just use print geocoder dot geocoder this description for the numbers, okay, description for the numbers, and the set numbers, okay, and checked numbers display on an English, okay, English display on an English. So I just to type this en, just type the en, okay. Again CRVIC service, PROVID providers, service providers, okay. Phone numbers dot first, and so here have also be phone numbers and checked numbers, phone numbers, checked numbers, and just to print see carrier dot name for numbers, service providers, and so en, okay. This code is enough to find out the locations, to trap the locations of your on your you have the unknown numbers in your phone number, in your phone, okay. Now I will just to run this, okay. Python 3 main.py, okay. Here have the simple problems as no length phone number, okay. Here have the simple problems to create here phone numbers and number and br numbers, just type the number, and so Python 3 main.py, okay. Nepal and Nepal Telecoms, the service provider name is the Nepal Telecom, and Nepal East, so geographical locations of the unknown, that's number, okay. Finally I trapped that's number, that unknown numbers, but I just to but I here have to type my numbers, but if you have the unknown numbers in your to call to in your phone now, in your phone you have to disrupt that's unknown numbers to you, to know about that's geographical locations to that's unknown of the that's unknown numbers. You also find out using this code, okay, using this code in this Python programming language, in this platform. This programming language is very easy programming language to find out that trap the locations of the any someone unknown, okay, unknown phone numbers, okay. You can easily trap that locations, okay. It's okay. Thank you so much, everyone, my friends. Thank you so much.